Hello people, welcome to my FAQ and Q&A vid. Let's just go right ahead. First thing that I get asked quite a bit is still how to work with the superior drummer mixer, because apparently some people still have a little bit of problems with that. So I'm just gonna give you a quick run through. So as you can see, I have my Studio One here. I'm just going to insert superior drummer. Bam, just like that. Need my headphones to hear something. So, okay, now mixer. First thing you need to know, the mixer is made up of three parts. First are the mics, which are indicated with the blue line. Then come the buses in orange, and last the outputs in red. And the outputs are actually only usable, or they're needed for multi-channeling superior drummer, and the mics and the buses, they work only internally in superior drummer. So, but I'll still get to that. Now, as you can see, you can also show and hide those individual sections. Yeah. Now, if you want to bus all the three kick drum mics, well then let's just do that. You see the output bar in here where you can set where the channel is being routed through. Right now everything is routed to output 1. Let's just make a really quick and stupid beat. Don't need this anymore. Let's go again here into superior. As you can see now, output 1 is showing a meter, so everything is routed to that. And, now let's just route those three kick drum mics to one bus. So I just click on here, click on bus 1, 2, bus 1, 2, bus 1, 2. Now listen again. Oh shock! The kick drum is gone or weakened. Well, let's just look at this. Bus 1, 2 is not routed anywhere, so we gotta set that. Oops. Okay, so now what we need to do is just route bus 1, 2 through output 1, 2 again. And there you have the kick drum again. Now the reason why it was so faint is because you still hear the kick drum over the overhead mics and the room mics. So, and that's basically how you route all the stuff. Let's just rename this kick. Okay, now let's go to, let's just do the same with the snare. Plus 3, 4. Let's make the snare again and also route it through output 1, 2. Okay, and that's how you route all the stuff. Now, if you want to do multi-channeling, then let's just route the snare bus to output 3, 4. You hear now it's weakened again because the output 3, 4 is not activated in our mixer. You see here, this channel right now represents the output 1, 2 in superior drummer. So Studio One makes this really easy to activate the multi-channeling. You just click on the CH button here, which stands for channel, and then you activate this output. And bam, there you have it. Now setting up parallel compression. Let's just take another empty bus here. Parallel. Also routed through output. No, let's take output 5 and 6. Also activate that one. Now put as insert effective compressor. Yeah, and now what you need to do, you see here, insert effects are the top lighter gray section stuff. And the bus sound effects are here in the middle, the darker gray section. So all you need to do now, for example, if you want to parallel compress the kick drum, just click on an empty slot, pick this parallel bus that we just made, which is this one. Just leave the input at 0 dB. Also post effects is better than pre-effecting it. And yeah. There you have it. You can do the same for the snare. Also parallel, okay. Flipping like crazy now. Anyway, so that's how you work with it. I hope that kind of answers this question. Now next one is, what I write here, stereo channels. Yeah, a lot of people ask me, especially in my tutorials about mixing and mastering, why I record rhythm guitars and bass guitar in stereo channels. Well, there's no real reason for that actually. It's just when you have tones with a lot of reverb and some stereo modulation effects or some ping pong delay or whatever, then you need to record on stereo channels to still maintain this effect. If you record such a tone in mono, then only the left channel or the right channel, I'm not exactly sure, I think the left one, only this one will be recorded and the information from the other channel is gone and you only have a dead centered lifeless mono signal. And in the past I managed to make that mistake a lot, so I just decided to record everything in stereo to not make this stupid mistake again. Yeah, so you can also record rhythm and bass guitar in mono, of course. In another tutorial part about my tones, I think it was part 4. A lot of you Sherlock Holmeses noticed that I used the dual tone function in Gearbox and asked me, well, what's on tone 1? Well, this thing right here is on tone 1, my mic. Without it, you wouldn't be able to hear me clearly because that camera is really bad in quality. And I can only do it over the pod, so of course I had to use dual tone function so you can hear me over the mic and also hear the pod tone that I presented over there. Okay. Then next question I get a lot is how to download the experimental impulse pack, because there still seems to be a bit of confusion. I'm going to show you that too now, so let's just go into the internet. Here it is. So slow. Now you see what I have to live with. Okay, let's just Google experimental impulse pack. Let's just go here on the very first link. Bam! There you have the official site. You have to register to the site, so make an account. It's for free and you won't regret it. There's a great knowledge base on this site, guitarampmodeling.com. And in this thread, here's the official experimental impulse pack thread. It's the original post, and if you scroll down here, bam, there you have it, attachments. Experimental pack 1.0.9.rar. If you click that, the download window will open and you can get it. I will not provide it myself because the guy says specifically to bring people to this official site. I mean, it's completely understandable. He provides this for free, so all he can ask is at least get it from his page, you know? And that's totally cool with me.